Hi guys, hope mko salama kabisa. So today I'm going to be trying to apply a black eye pencil and a brown one on each side to see why we are always told if you're a woman of color, usipake a black eye pencil. Instead, use a brown eye pencil. So on the right side, I am applying a black eye pencil. On that side, Namuchora from the beginning because I don't have eyebrows. Naturally, I don't have eyebrows, unfortunately. So that is me feeling vizuri, nifanye ikae poa. So naijaza vizuri. Yeah. Then I'm using a spoolie kuchana chana so that hapo at the beginning it can be a little bit lighter and the rest of it can spread somehow. I hope you get what I'm trying to say. Yeah. Then on my left, I'm applying the brown eye pencil, and this one I first drew the edges, and then I'm going to fill in once I have gotten the shape that I want for the eyebrow. So this one you can also follow this if you're trying to learn how to do your eyebrows. That's how I usually do my eyebrows, okay? And by now I'm sure you can already see the difference between the black one and the brown one. Yeah, so the black one it doesn't look natural. I'm sure you can see it clearly. It doesn't look natural at all, but the brown one quite natural, as in it's not exaggerated as the black eyebrow pencil is. Then of course I use a spoolie at the edge there to make it a little bit lighter and make it look a little bit more natural. Alafu the other side I use a spoolie to spread. Yeah, so mnaona the difference. Alright, then I am using concealer to make the edges well lined. Alright, there's a word for it, but I have completely forgotten what it's called, so that's what I'm doing. The concealer I'm using is Illegal in the shade Fawn. Alright, yes, you can use as much or as little as you can when it comes to concealer, but again you have to be careful you don't mess the already drawn eyebrow. Okay, yes, sawa hapo napaka eyebrow, napaka concealer very carefully. Then the other one hii nayo niliharakisha because I'm sure you've seen what I've done for the other one. Okay, yes. So now that's an angled brush. I am blending in that concealer. At least ifanane, when you're blending, you blend it in, it stops shouting, if you know what I mean. Okay, yes, and that is what it looks like. That is the final product.